Next, we're going to be going over the incline push-up. So the reason for the incline push-up is to help with the strength or help with our ability through the normal bench and an incline bench. This is a good starting off point just because it is a little bit easier than a normal push-up. So the higher in elevation that we go, the easier it should be, right? Less gravity, less weight onto our arms, essentially. So since this is an upper body exercise, mostly the chest and the back of the arms, so the triceps, we're actually going to set up our hands first. So I like to go about a thumb length apart, but anything just outside of the shoulders is good. So from there, get our hands set first. Make sure our wrists are stacked, so making sure that they're not flexed or overextended. With that as well, you can see, right, we don't want the bar all the way back, because if we start to push down and it goes forward, right, that'd be very uncomfortable, and that'd be very scary and hurt if we hit our bodies on that bar as we go down. But biggest thing is hands first, okay, shoulder width apart or slightly outside. From there, I'm gonna pull my feet back to a position where I know that if I go through that push-up, okay, my chest is gonna hit that bar. So biggest thing is we call something an armpit line or a breast line or a chest line. So put your hands in your armpits. That's why I call it the armpit line. Put your hands in your armpits and you brush across the chest. That section is where that bar should be touching, right? So just at that chest, since that is a muscle that we were trying to hit. So pulling those feet back, right, it might take a time or two to kind of get that distance right. But from there, we want to be up on the balls of the feet, right? So we don't want to be all the way down on the heels, up on the balls of the feet here. And then from there, all we're doing is we're going to break the bar like a pencil. Okay, you can see that my arms or my elbows naturally rotate towards the back side of my arm. The reason for that is we want to hit the triceps. So from there, break the bar like a pencil, shoulder width apart. From there, just allow the chest to drop down towards the bar, or allow your elbows to bend and flex. So from when we get there, right, I'm a little too high, so I'm gonna move back a tiny bit, and then just press your hands through that bar, press towards the ground, okay? So it's just like a normal bench press where we're pressing something away, okay? So we are still thinking about pressing that bar away from our body, okay? But we're just going through a normal push-up, okay? And then that is your incline push-up.